Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghostface in DTI. First, choose a simple white or black full-body suit as your foundation. This provides a clean canvas for your design. Next, navigate to the Design It interface, which is your creative hub. Make sure you have sufficient in-game currency, typically around 500 to 1,000 coins, to purchase all the required accessories and clothing pieces for an authentic look. The mask is crucial for an authentic ghost face. Begin with a plain white mask item, which serves as the base. Then, carefully apply black decals or paint to form the iconic elongated eye holes and the screaming mouth. Pay close attention to the proportions. Adjust the mask's size and position to ensure it perfectly covers the face, creating that chilling, recognizable silhouette. Now, let's assemble the rest of the outfit. Choose a long, flowing black robe or cloak. This is essential for the character's silhouette. Pair this with black gloves and black boots to maintain the dark, cohesive aesthetic. For accessories, equip a toy knife or a similar prop that resembles a hunting knife. This detail, though small, adds significant authenticity to your ghost face creation, making it instantly recognizable. For the final touches, carefully review every element of your ghost face design. Check that the colors are consistent and the proportions are correct. Experiment with different poses and animations available in DTI to truly embody the character's menacing and eerie presence. Once satisfied, save your completed ghost face design. This allows you to easily access and showcase your terrifying creation in any future game sessions, ready to scare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.